In the year 1963, the fear caused by the potential destruction of the planet by nuclear weapons caused the American government to start a project called Ascension. This consisted of a massive self-sustaining spaceship carrying 600 volunteers all the way to Centauri Proxima, where they must colonize a new planet. This trip would last 100 years. It is now 2014, and the project is still kept secret from the general population. It's very common for journalists to harass Harris, the son of the founder of the Ascension, to ask him about the rumors behind the project, but Harris always replies the ship was never launched. His father Abraham is still alive, but a stroke has sent him to live permanently in a nursing home, and Harris has taken over the project. The Ascension is doing well and is now filled with 2 more generations, but it's also been divided by class. The affluent families have the best job and live luxuriously on the upper deck, while the poor have servant jobs and can only stay on the lower deck. For the 51st anniversary, the ship is throwing a huge party to celebrate their crossing the point of no return. Lorelei stops by the lower deck to visit Stokes, who hands her a mysterious package. Afterward, Lorelei joins the party, where she finds her sister Emily hanging out with Executive Officer Galt. Emily is married, but she's having an affair with Galt. Just to be annoying, Lorelei kisses Galt before leaving for the swimming pool. Krista notices Lorelei isn't at the party and goes looking for her, only to find her dead. Sometime later, Galt, Emily's husband Duke, and Captain William are called to look at the body. Dr. Juliet says it looks like Lorelei got hit on the head, but Galt notices rope marks on her wrists and suspects foul play. William doesn't want panic on the ship, so he asks Galt to investigate in secret. Meanwhile, Krista has gone through a state of shock because of what she saw and she's been admitted to the medical bay and given a sedative. Suddenly Krista begins shaking in the bed, saying that they're watching and that the Globus sees all, prompting Juliet to put her to sleep. Somewhere in the ship, a mysterious figure paints the words "No Future" on the wall. Later, Galt checks the security cameras and finds out the beach is a blind spot. There's also no proof of anyone entering or leaving the area on the corridor cameras, which doesn't explain how Lorelei got there in the first place. Emily comes by to tell Galt that